Good morning, dear students. In our previous class, we have discussed the procedure of serum total protein estimation. So, in this video, we are going to demonstrate the whole procedure, and this will be our last practical before our first semester examination. To perform this practical, we need 3 test tubes marked as B, S and T, B for blank, S for standard and T for test. We need total protein kit, and that kit contains biuret reagent. We need standard total protein, and we know the concentration of the standard, that is 6 gram per deciliter. We need 2 micropipette with tips, and one micropipette of 1000 microliter and another of 25 microliters. We need incubators for incubation purpose, and we also need colorimeters to take the absorbance.
Good morning, students. Today we are going to estimate serum total protein by biuret method of a given sample. For this procedure, we need 1 biuret reagent and 1 standard, and you know the concentration of the standard is 6 gram per dl, and a sample. For this, we also need 3 test tubes marked as B as blank, S as standard and T as test. And we also need 2 micropipettes, 1000 microliter and another is 25 microliter. So first we have to take 1000 microliter of biuret reagent in every test tube marked as B as blank and S as standard and to the T as test. Now we are going to add 25 microliter of distilled water to the blank test tube. And then we are going to add the standard solution to the standard test tube. And mix it well. And finally, we are adding the test sample, 25 microliter of test sample in the test marked test tube, and also mix it well. Now we have to keep the test tubes in the incubator at 37 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes is over and we are taking out the samples. So now students, we can see the color is developed. Now I am turning on the colorimeter and fixing up the filter to 540 nanometer. Now I am putting the blank to the cuvette and pressing the blank button. It's showing 0, and then I am putting the standard to the cuvette and it's showing 0.30. The absorbance of the standard .30, and then I am putting the test to the cuvette, and it is showing 0.35. So the OD of the test is 0.35, and as we all know, the concentration of the standard is 6.0 gram per dl.
Special thanks to Miss Aditi Dhara for her brilliant demonstration. So students, now you got the OD of test, OD of standard. So it is your home task to calculate the serum total protein concentration, and as usual the result will be discussed in the upcoming classes. So thank you.